Hi, guys and ladies. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our Being an Analyst podcast. My name is Disama Matsieti. This is the perfect place for aspiring analysts and people who have got experience in analysis, who just wants inspiration maybe to try new things or go to another level. This is why we are creating these episodes for you, and this is why we're creating a great platform for us to talk and share opportunities. You know, we have the newsletter. You know, we are also on WhatsApp daily. We share insights. If you want to be part of that, just listen until the end of this episode and I'll give you all the details. While we're talking about this episode number 41, we are continuing about AI's use for data analysis, and we are looking at the 10 AI tools for data analysis. And sub question to that, we are asking, are any of these 10 based in Africa? We're looking at the 10 AI tools that will help us with data analysis, will help us with data storytelling, and we're asking ourselves, is any of this based in Africa? That's what we're chatting. Stay tuned just after our theme song. So don't go anywhere. Please stay tuned. Thank you to everybody that's given us the comments. Our mentoring program has reached maximum capacity, but don't worry, because every quarter of the year, we are opening up for a new cohort to come in. So Jan until April, until March, we have cohort 1. April until June, we have cohort 2. September, July until September, cohort 3, and then September until December, we have cohort 4. So if you find yourself that you click on the application link and what you're getting is, sorry, the application has been closed, it just means that the spaces are very, very competitive. People are booking quite earlier. So what you could do is wait up for another link for the next cohort when it comes in. We don't use the same link. We keep on using different links every time. What do you get in the cohort? All of what you are getting in the cohort is ways to help you match the mindset, the tool set, and the skill set so that you can become an exceptional analyst. That's our own idea. The roadmap of how do you map those is not coming from me. It is not coming from your fellow, group members. It is not coming from the cohort itself. We will help you find ways to create your own personal story. When you get out of the mentoring program after this 12 weeks, in that 3 months, you would know exactly what mindset you should have, exactly what tools you should learn and put inside your tool set, and what you should repeat, what you should do repeatedly, what you should keep on repeating. Small actions that you can do, repeat them until everybody can say, now you have a skill in that. That's the whole mentoring program. And this is why we're getting over 50 applications per cohort. Not everybody goes in. We are still, unfortunately, we have to decline some people. But if you are cut out, don't despair. We keep it light. So let's jump into what we're going to discuss today. 10 AI tools for data analysis. I'm going straight to number one. Number one is Microsoft Excel, my personal favorite. Excel has been here from 1987. I wrote even in my book, Being an Analyst, that Excel is the tool of choice for almost every organization. So, despite being a long-standing tool, which is this Excel from 1987, it still remains top choice for data analysts. Now it is integrated with Python and Copilot so that it can help us, elevate, take our analysis to another level. I saw also the new Windows computers. They come with not just the Windows to say open up programs, but they come with a dedicated button for Copilot. So if you integrate, well, it's already integrated Excel and Copilot, but you can just throw your data there and you can ask questions based on Excel. The key features of Excel, it offers functionality suitable for both beginners and experts, facilitating data analysis tasks, which is the nice part about it. Let's go to number two. Number two, we're looking at Tableau. Tableau is quite popular in the USA and in Europe. In South Africa, not so much. And we had posted how Power BI has overtaken um, Tableau. Tableau dipped a little bit in popularity, and Power BI has overtaken it. And Power BI, Tableau is like almost 15 years into the game. Power BI is a new kid on the block. From 2015, that's where they dropped the idea of Power BI. I started using Power BI and doing pushing people to adopt Power BI in finance from 2016. So I saw all this wave of Power BI, and I'm seeing how a lot of people are using Power BI, and that's why it's probably Tableau is taking a knock on that. But besides that, Tableau is a leading platform for data visualization and analysis, and it recently improved with Tableau GPT, where you can actually write and query it, and Tableau Pulse for more efficient and personalized data task. The key features of Tableau is that it enhances streamlined data task and insightful visualization. Tableau kills Power BI 10 on visualization, but for convenience and for pricing, organizations will rather go think twice before Tableau. But in terms of that Tableau, you get the best things ever. Let's jump to number three. Another new kit on the block is called Polymer. It provides robust tools for data analysis, easily connect multiple data sources, and automatically you can build your first dashboard in minutes without needing any data science or engineering skills. Isn't that wonderful? I know it's terrible, especially when I wrote on the book about what skills you need with data science, what do you need with engineering. I know Polyema is trying to skip that step, and then jump all the way in. This is wonderful for us in Africa, where we don't have enough skilled data scientists, we don't have enough skilled data engineers. This tool or such tools will be able to help us, cross the Rubicon quicker. Once your data is connected and your dashboard is generated, it will update automatically. The key features of Polymer, it does it for you with the help of their own AI. The key features is integrated with their AI. And you get answers to business critical questions with Polymer's out of the box analytics and suggested insights, whether identifying top performing ads when you're talking about marketing, or calculating ROAS, or uncovering patterns and correlations. Polymer provides the answers and insights instantly. Just plug in your data. If you have your data that's streaming, plug in your streaming data, and you can start to query. Imagine if management could query themselves, execs in the exec room, making their own queries. That would be quite wonderful. Number 4 on the list, we're looking at Power BI. Yes, Power BI. It's actually Microsoft's comprehensive BI tool, and it offers powerful analytics capabilities. I'm not going to go into detail on Power BI because I have spent some time on Power BI, but it is here, it is on the list. It is with Copilot. It is also giving us access to AI, and it can help with our analytics just like that. The key features is that it's cloud-based service for creating, sharing, and exploring interactive dashboards and reports. Number 5 on the list is called KAI, or you can call it KNIME AI, which is KNIME AI. It's called KNIME. It's like enemy. KNIME AI. KNIME AI. Also known as KAI. This is a free open source. I know you were waiting for that. KAI is free open source, low code or no code. Low code or no code software designed to make data analysis accessible to everyone, regardless of experience level. If you are just out of high school, you haven't even went for data science in university, and you have the small business that wants you to help them improve, their game, increase their skin in the game, this is the perfect tool for you. The key features of this tool is access data and derive insights without the dependence on the IT department. We sit in so many organizations, and the reliance right now, I'm talking mostly in finance, is we're waiting for IT to assist us. But here's the tools that you can plug in, get the data in, and then you have less reliance on AI. There's other issues that we've spoken about, episode 24, 25, about data governance and making sure that the right data, get accessed properly. All of those you have to keep in mind before you get on the site. So it automates spreadsheets and other manual repetitive tasks. It will be able to help you with that. And it works with large data sets and advanced techniques without any coding. I know there's another article that I'm working on to say, should I teach my kids how to code? I don't know. I really don't know. There's so much no codes in here. You can use a library of blueprints and Gen AI assistance for faster upskilling. If you feel stuck, it should be able to help you go in. Number 6 on the list, we have Julius AI. Julius AI provides unique data interpretation solutions and allows users to connect data sources and ask questions for quick analysis. I mean, it looks very, very easy. I went into it, I saw what it can do. I was blown away. The key features of Julius AI is it analyzes and visualizes data from Excel spreadsheet, Google Sheets, and Progress. So when we're talking about charts and graphs, it goes and it creates slick looking data visualization. You know those things when you're saying what's the correlation, what is what, all of those difficult things that takes forever, that when you're missing one data point, it tells a different story. Oh, it does. It looks good, I must just say. Insights, you ask anything, anything about your data, and then you get answers immediately. Advanced analysis, you perform modeling and predictive forecasting on this tool. Problem solving, you scan and solve math, statistics, and chemistry. Should be able to give all of that. And the last one, reports, it generates polished analyzes and summarizes your reports for you. Number 7 is Akkio, Akkio. Maybe it's Akkio. Akayo. It's an AI data platform that's aimed at agencies that's specializing in data flow automation and predictive analytics. The only AI data platform that is built for agencies and their clients. This is where you will go and you wow your clients with from your very first pitch if you're using AI, Akkio AI powered analytics. Why? Because you go in, you just don't do surveys on whether SurveyMonkey or Google Sheets or Forms or Qualtrics. This one also takes it to say, what does it mean in that case? So it's almost like Qualtrics, but on its own space. Then what they are looking for is so that you can keep your customers happy with a predictive engine that helps improve performance and everything from ROAS to CPC to SEO optimization. Key features: streamlines decision-making process with predictive analytics. That is what Akio can do for you. Number 8 on the list, we got Monkeyland. Monkeyland, yes, Monkeyland. It is also a no-code text analysis for analyzing AI models for efficient data analysis and data classification. If you are having this, well, you can still do it with ChatGPT and them. But if you have some text that you would like to analyze, I don't want to say articles, but let's say you have some interviews, and you have it in text, you transcribed it, and you just want to analyze it. This is one of those tools that you can, think about. Instant data visualization and detailed insights, all in one text analysis and data visualization studio, so you don't have to go somewhere else and do all. Everybody that has done their masters, I'm thinking even those that are doing their PhD, you have to hop from one tool to another, and you have to say, I was using 7 tools only to get that answer, and your supervisor is not going to be happy to say use only 3 tools or use only one. The whole story. So Monkeyland gives you that whole way of analysis. Gain instant insights when you run an analysis on your data. You dig deeper into your data with greater granularity. You create custom charts and visualization in a blazing fast experience. You combine and filter by multiple data inputs. You can including the dates, custom fields, or whatever you want to look at. Those are the key features that helps extract actionable insights and various textual data sources such as tweets, charts, WhatsApp chats, and reviews. In fact, your own organizational chat input, you could use it for such purposes, I meant to say. So let's move forward. Let's look at what's number 9 on the list. So number 9, we have Sisense. We have spoken about this, and I have also included Sisense on the book. So I'm not going to go into detail, but it enhances product innovations through AI and ML capabilities. It enables for better and faster business decisions. The key feature is it's a global analytical platform that supports rapid decision making. The last one that we're going to be talking about is Microsoft Azure. Sorry, I shouldn't be making drum rolls because we're not ranking them. We're just talking the last one for now. Microsoft Azure. Is it Azure or Azure? Azure. It all depends on where you are. Other people call it Azure. Others call it Azure. Azure. It's a comprehensive cloud platform for developing AI applications, offering the latest technologies and pay-as-you-go pricing. So you don't have to get stuck to say, oh my gosh, it's so expensive. If you are using, you pay. You're not using, you don't pay. You want to query something, you pay for it, you save it on your own SQL database and whatever the Azure cloud-based SQL. You'll save your reports there so that you don't have to pay for every query. The key features, it supports various AI and machine learning projects with flexible pricing options. So these are the tools that provide a range of capabilities from basic data analysis and visualization to enhance AI and machine learning functionalities, catering for various needs and expertise levels. The sub question that we are asked, beautiful 10 things. Is any of this 10 based in Africa? Is any of this based in Africa? Why don't we have an African-based AI? If that's what you were wondering from the previous one to say, why is African-based innovations not being featured here? We have another view that's coming from Dr. Mark Nasila. He is, I just said doctor. He's not the doctor with medical doctor. He's a doctor in AI. So he is excited. He is announcing a new book that he's going to be releasing. It's his first book. He called it The African Artificial Intelligence. We will spend some time on the next episode, episode number 42, talking about the African artificial intelligence point of view, where on this book he is drawing from his extensive experience in banking and also in academia, where he was also a lecturer and he did his stuff quite well. He just went straight up the ladder from BCom, went all the way to PhD, and he found a niche that he wanted to be dealing with, which is now in AI. So he's there, he's drawing from his extensive experience in education. And Dr. Nasila emphasizes that Africa must develop its own AI solution. That's his stance. Africa must develop its own AI solution tailored to its unique challenges. We have our own challenges that we don't have somewhere else. His book explores the latest AI innovations, showcasing diverse use cases across multiple industries, and argues for an African approach to harness AI transformative power. He highlights the importance of understanding strategy and ethics in implementing AI and calls for a collective effort from policymakers, business leaders, stakeholders, and everybody to build an AI-driven future for Africa. Dr. Nesila hopes his book will inspire and transform, and inform, showcasing the potential of AI, or potential of AI to bring progress and opportunity to the continent. That's what he's hoping for. So if you want to, it's Dr. Nasila. Nasila is spelled Nasila. Nasila. Look out to him on LinkedIn. Connect with him. Ask him questions. And find out from his side what is his point of view and why does he say Africa should develop its own. Why can't we use Asian one? Why can't we use the American ones in Silicon Valley? They thrive on the other side of the road, but it's fine. We can use their tools. But Dr. Nesila has got a different view here. I don't know who's going to be paying for this. That's what we're going to be discussing in episode number 42. But for now, let's start with our quiz. If it's your first time here, we normally have 5 questions that are quite easy, fun. They relate to what we just spoken about. So if you at one point you find yourself, lost a little bit in the questions, don't stress. Just go back to rewind a little bit, and then the answer will be there. And on top of that, I'll tell you what the answer is, so you might not need to rewind. Anyway, let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 says, which AI tool is known for integrating Python and Copilot to enhance its data analytical capabilities? Which AI tool is known for integrating Python and Copilot to enhancing its data analytics capabilities? The right answer to that, the options that you have, not the right answer. The options that you have is Microsoft Excel, number A. Number B is Tableau. Number C, Polymer. Number D is Power BI. So the right answer to that is Microsoft Excel or Power BI. So both of them are using Python and Copilot, but I know in here I just spoken about Python and Copilot for Excel, but it also is there in Power BI too. Question number 2, which platform was recently improved with Tableau GPT and Tableau Pulse for more efficient and personalized data tasks? Which platform has recently improved with Tableau GPT and Tableau Pulse for more efficient and personalized data task? Is it number A, KNIME AI, number B, Tableau, number C, Science, or number D, Microsoft Azure? The right answer to which platform has recently improved with Tableau GPT and Tableau Pulse for more efficient and personalized data task is number B, which is Tableau. Question number 3, what is the primary feature of Polymer that sets it apart from the other AI data analysis tools? Is it A, cloud-based dashboard, B, text analysis, C, automatically building dashboards without data side skills, or number D, predictive analytics? The right answer to what is the primary feature to Polymer that set it apart from other AI data analysis tools is number C, which is automatically building dashboards without data science skills, which is they set themselves apart with that selling point, with that selling proposition. Number 4, which AI tools is specifically designed to make data analysis accessible to everybody regardless of experience level by offering low code or no code solutions? The answer, the options that you have is it number A, KNIME AI, number B, Julius AI, number C, Ekio, number D, Monkeyland? The correct answer to which AI tool is specifically designed to make data analysis and accessibility to everybody regardless of experience level by offering low code or no code solution is KNIME AI that we've spoken about, but ultimately almost everybody is trying to position themselves in a no code as a no code solution provider, but others you will have to learn a few things here and there. Question number 5, Dr. Mark Nesila's book, African Artificial Intelligence, emphasizes the need for Africa to develop its own AI solution. Which aspect does he highlight as critical for implementing AI in Africa? Is it number A, high-tech infrastructure, number B, understanding strategy and ethics, number C, large-scale industrialization, or number D, global collaboration? The right answer to what Dr. Mark Nesila's book, Artificial Intelligences, that emphasizes that Africa must have its own AI solution. The aspects he highlights as crucial for implementing AI in Africa is number B, which is understanding strategy and ethics. Those are the 3 things that he's standing by to say. For such 3 things, we have to create our own solution. Thank you very much for listening to this insightful episode. If you want to get hold of us, beingananalyst.co.za, we have a newsletter. It comes out twice every week. It's a bi-weekly newsletter on a Monday and on a Thursday. For you to get your hands on the newsletter, you go to newsletter.beingananalyst.co.za. You will see a button for you to join the email list. Click on it. You'll get an email coming through. If you're on LinkedIn, we also publish on LinkedIn different versions of the newsletter. On LinkedIn, you can just go search for weekly analyst newsletter. It will pop up there, or connect with me in my profile, December Mazietzi. You will see the newsletter there, and you can be able to click it in. Or you can connect with Being an Analyst, and you'll see the newsletter, and you can be able to click it in and subscribe. We have almost a couple of thousands subscribers that's in there. Last time I checked was almost 3,000. But you can become part of this niche community. If you want to wake up with an insightful text, we have almost 200 people on our WhatsApp group. The detail on how do you join is also available both on our WhatsApp and also on our newsletter. is the WhatsApp chat. Well, the WhatsApp chat is the joining in is very long, but I'll leave the link on the description of this episode, so that it just goes to our description. Click on the link and then join. And the last one is, if you feel you want something structured quickly that can help you immediately to propel yourself in the world of analysis, I have a book that's out, penned by me, Being an Analyst, Managing Yourself for Success and Unleashing Your True Potential in this Knowledge Economy. You can find it on Take A Lot, you can find it on Amazon, and you can also find it on books.beinganaanalyst.co.za. And that's how you can actually enhance after this episode. Don't worry, we are back again in episode number 42. Stay blessed. Cheers.